jama'a mu ji tsoron Allah dan annabi mu duba mana akwai talakawa masu bukatar abin da za su ci akan wai ba zaka kashe wannan jakin kuɗin ka gayyato mawaki Davido ka ga hollin da ka kama abin da za a ci jama'a kuɗin yayi yawa.
This decoration took us 5 days, but alhamdulillah, we are here. We pulled this for the three northern princesses. Their parents gave me a call and told me exclusive, we want something grand for our babies, something huge, something that has never been done before. And I'm glad me and my team were able to pull this up for them. As you can see, this massive cake, I'm sure you've never seen this mighty cake before. Our baker is here, final touch. She has been working on this cake for 5 days, for almost more than 5 days, I think. Yes. You can see how mighty, how beautiful this cake is.
Hey guys, it's a real cake and you watch us cut them. All this are real cakes. You know, they're sisters. Every child has their own customized cakes. Beautiful old cakes. And that's not all. We have a descending luxury cake and it's looking amazing. Beautiful. It's a surprise and we're super excited. And it looks super gorgeous.
So guys, this is the 70 million naira castle cake. Is it worth it? Absolutely. It is absolutely worth it. This is beautiful. Do you know that the kids could even walk inside this cake and still come outside? This is beautiful. Up next, you're going to be seeing the celebrants, guys. So these are the three beautiful princesses, or rather one of the three beautiful princesses that their parents came together to throw a very big birthday party for. So I don't know which is which, but I believe this is Shahida. Obviously she's the one that is turning 9, and this is her sister. So there are three of them. There's Shahida, there's Habitullah, and there's Nazril. I don't know which one is which, but I believe this one is the one turning 5. And there's another little cutie princess, which is this one, who is going to be actually 3. So I love their princess dresses. So beautiful, so colorful. I mean who wouldn't want to throw a birthday party for children that are so cute? You know, every child is cute, right? I really love it when parents take their time to do things like this for their children. Oh my god, I can't even get enough of this cake. This is pure luxury. This is pure luxury. Every parent should learn to do stuff for their kids. Do things for your kids. These kids will never forget this. This is a moment in their life that they can never bring themselves to forget. And that is why, you know, kids are happy to have their parents, because their parents can go out of their way to do anything for them. Now, if you started watching this video from the beginning, like you didn't skip, there was one clip I put there. It was a clip of this video that one guy, you know, downloaded, and he was complaining that the birthday is too extravagant, that there are so many people that are hungry, they have not eaten, and they have this kind of money to spend on a birthday celebration, blah 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 blah. Hello, please, can we stop telling people how to spend their money? Please, can we stop? This is 2026. Can we stop? Can we stop it, please? This is beautiful. I don't have this kind of money. Even when I heard that the birthday cake was 70 million naira, guy, my heart skipped for 2 seconds, because I was like, wow, that's a huge money. But I had to watch it because it was so beautiful to watch when we are in a country that do not even see the value of women. Yes, they don't see the value of women. And this man and his wife came outside to tell the world and show the world that their children are precious to them. They might be female children, but they are very precious. Yes, you're shocked, right? I'm using this word. Yes, that is because people do not see female children as, you know, anything because of the way they handle women. Because of the way they handle women. I believe that guy would not be saying what he said if this birthday party was for 3 sons. He'd be like, yeah, it's worth it. Oh, men are the prize. Oh, this. But because it's for daughters, he's feeling like it's a waste of money. And he's now coming to tell them about how people are hungry, how they've not eaten, and they have money. They did not make this money for you and those people. Please. They made this money for themselves and their children to do whatsoever they want. You can, I believe you heard when the event planner said her parents, or rather their parents, called her and said, we want something that has never been done before for our princesses. We want something, and she said it's gonna cost you. And the parents said, we don't care, just give us what we want. They wanted to create a memory for these three beautiful children, and you think it's nothing because you are hungry. Why are you hungry? Why are you hungry? You have to work. You have to do something for yourself and stop feeling entitled to people's faults. So without much being said, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the clip of the birthday. And guys, you can tell me what you think about it in the comment section. I have to go because my environment is becoming noisy and I'm becoming distracted. So guys, watch this video and tell me what you think about it, because for me, I think this birthday is nothing but luxury and I love it so much.